This is a 2017 Ford F-250 Lariat Super Crew, blue, over black leather interior, power driver's seat, memory seating on the driver's side, power windows, locks, heated power mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, satellite radio, electronic climate control, heated and cooled seats, remote start, push button start, upfitter switches, USB for your phone, panoramic moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, black aluminum oversized wheels and tires, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, spray and bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by the 6.7-liter turbo diesel Power Stroke engine. It's got lots of torque. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.